Welcome to 32, Camden St Penthouse 5, located in the heart of downtown Toronto. This stunning two-level penthouse is situated in a boutique building and boasts two spacious terraces with never-to-be-obstructed views spanning 1,050 square feet and over 1,300 square feet of interior space. Inside, you'll find a spacious living room perfect for unwinding, as well as a formal dining room for hosting dinner parties. The kitchen is a foodie's dream, featuring a generous island and ample counter space. A full bathroom can also be found on the main level. This home is perfect for entertainers, offering breathtaking views of the CN Tower from your terraces. Hookups for your gas barbecue and patio heater are available. You'll enjoy two luxurious bedrooms and two bathrooms, including an oversized primary bedroom flooded with natural light. The secondary bedroom is also a great size and can easily function as a home office. Finally, take some time to relax on your second-level terrace after a long day's work. Don't miss out on this luxurious and bright oasis in the heart of downtown Toronto. This unit includes one parking and one locker.